Hello and welcome back to Chris the Butcher and friends. Said very northern, but then I am a northerner. I was at work today and I had a brainwave and this was it. Right, as you can see I'm currently at work, but I've got a cracking idea for a bizarre recipe. But listen, no, it's not a recipe as such, but it is quite bizarre. Take a look at this. We have got, can you see, garden mint glaze there, and I put some in the tub there, look, yeah, shake it about, and I've put it on some bacon. Now I'm going to vacuum seal that so it marinates in a lot, you know, proper. And we're going to get home shortly and I'm going to put that on a butty. Minted bacon butties, people. So there it is. That is my back bacon marinated in a garden mint seasoning, and it's been in there for about 10 hours. Also, if we're going to make a butty with it, we need a decent loaf, don't we? So I've got a white bloomer. It was on offer, it was 67 pence. But I'm going to toast it anyway and whack that minty bacon on. So, without further ado, let's make a minty bacon butty. So, brothers and sisters, it's a simple fact now. I've just got to try and get the bacon in this frying pan. Now, it's really, really minty, as you would expect. I've got 5 slices. I'm going to cook all 5, but I'm going to have to do it in 2 batches because I don't want to boil this bacon. I want that mint to, you know, basically crisp into it, a bit bacon crispy. So I'll cook these 3. I've got another 2 to do, and all I'm going to do then is put it on that white bloomer with plenty of butter and slide it down my gizzard essentially. This is a quick, easy video, but it's kind of a bizarre recipe, but it's not a recipe, is it? It's just a fucking bizarre food, I'll be honest. But honestly, the smell of that right now is phenomenal. And I'm going to imagine, it's going to taste fucking great. So I've just turned that bacon, and the mint, obviously, because it's got sugar in it, it's caramelising. But that's going to only add to the flavour because the smell I'm getting from that frying pan right now is orgasmic. And I tell you what, I cannot wait to slide this mother down my gizzard. Well, the bacon is done, as you can see there. Look at that. That bacon looks good enough to eat, doesn't it? Well, I hope so, because I'm going to fucking eat it. And our bread is done and buttered. Now, it'd be rude not to use all this bacon on this one butty. Because if you're going to have a bacon butty, there's no point beating around the bush and having 1 or 2 slices on it. You might as well get half of a frigging pound on there, don't you? Now look at that. Now that is a bacon butty. The only difference is, right now my brothers and sisters, that bacon is minted. Now, weird? Maybe so. I'm going to put the lid on. Crush it down, yes. Cut it in half. Oh, watch the camera with a knife. I'm going to get down here and have a little bit of a nosy at it. Oh, look at that. That is my minty bacon butty. And I am going to slide that right down my gizzard. Getting a bit closer. Oh, baby. Oh. Now that, my brothers and sisters, is a bacon sandwich or a bacon butty, right? And that is minted bacon. And I'm going to slide that down my gizzard. With pleasure! Come on, get it in. You know what? The mint is really strong, obviously. It's been in the mint forever. Not over salty. I was worried it's going to be over salty. But the mint season I use is quite sugary. Because you've got the sugar and the salt together. If you don't think mint goes with bacon, then you've never tried it, because that is absolutely stonking. I'm even going to eat that off the fucking floor. Does minted bacon work? In my eyes, yes it does, because that were fabulous. I liked it. If you liked it, press like, comment, share it on your social media, and subscribe. I'll become a family member of #TeamCTB, where I fucking love you.